drawing. I have done that for you. Step 2. Create a subroutine for drawing an ellipse using polar coordinates. That's step 2 done. Step 3. Add the extension, the exponential radius reduction, the y coordinate shift, and the exponential y coordinate reduction to the spiral. The purpose of step 3 is to give the spiral its whirlpool-like shape. Done something wrong. Step 4. Create a while loop that draws a whirlpool spiral forever. It just draws on itself forever. So, we need step 5, add increments to orient the spiral differently, and clear and update the screen as necessary to create a spinning illusion effect. And we're done. For more utilizations of the spiral like this, check out how I drawed a gamma ray burst.